Hey there, future homeowners. Ever wondered how people afford those dream houses with white picket fences? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the wild world of mortgages. Trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds, and by the end of this video, you'll be a mortgage maestro. So, what exactly is a mortgage? A mortgage is basically a loan that helps you buy a home when you cannot pay for it all at once. It's like borrowing your friend's umbrella on a rainy day. Except this umbrella costs hundreds of thousands of dollars and takes decades to pay back. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. Let's start with the basics. When you get a mortgage, you're essentially making a deal with a lender. They give you the money to buy your house, and in return, you promise to pay it back over time, usually with interest. It's like a financial pinky promise, but way more official and with a lot more paperwork. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all mortgages are created equal. In fact, there are several types of mortgages, each with its own quirks and perks. Let's explore some of the most common ones. First up is the fixed-rate mortgage, a conventional loan. This is the vanilla ice cream of mortgages, classic, reliable, and predictable. With a fixed-rate mortgage, your interest rate stays the same throughout the entire loan term. Whether it's 15, 20, or 30 years, you'll always know exactly what your monthly payment will be. It's perfect for those who like stability and hate surprises, at least when it comes to their finances. Next, we have the adjustable rate mortgage, or ARM. This is for the thrill seekers of the mortgage world. Your interest rate can change over time based on market conditions. It usually starts lower than a fixed-rate mortgage, which can be tempting. But remember, what goes down can also go up. It's like riding a financial roller coaster. Exciting, but not for the faint of heart. Then there's the FHA loan backed by the Federal Housing Administration. This is the friendly neighbor of mortgages, designed to help first-time homebuyers or those with less than perfect credit. It typically requires a lower down payment and has more lenient credit requirements. It's like getting a boost to reach that cookie jar on the top shelf. Sometimes we all need a little help. For our rural friends, there's the USDA loan. No, it's not for buying cows, although that would be pretty cool. It's a zero down payment loan for eligible rural and suburban homebuyers. It's the government's way of saying, hey, country living is awesome too. Last but not least, we have the VIA loan for our veterans and active duty military personnel. It is Uncle Sam's way of saying thank you for your service with some pretty sweet mortgage terms, including no down payment and no private mortgage insurance. Now you might be wondering, how do I know which mortgage is right for me? Well, it's like choosing the perfect pair of shoes. It depends on your individual needs, financial situation, and future plans. Do you value stability? A fixed rate might be your best bet. Are you okay with a bit of risk for potentially lower rates? An ARM could be worth considering. Are you a first-time buyer with less saved for a down payment? An FHA loan might be your ticket to homeownership. Remember, getting a mortgage is a big decision, and it's okay to take your time. Shop around, compare rates, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Lenders are there to help you understand your options, not to confuse you with financial jargon. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some mortgage lingo you might hear. Down payment is the initial chunk of money you pay up front. Private mortgage insurance, or PMI, is an extra cost you might have to pay if your down payment is less than 20%. An escrow is like a piggy bank where part of your monthly payment goes to cover property taxes and insurance. So there you have it, folks. Mortgage is demystified. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy cottage or a sprawling mansion, understanding mortgages is your first step towards making that dream a reality. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to one of the biggest financial decisions of your life. Now go forth and conquer the housing market. And who knows? Maybe the next time someone mentions mortgages at a party, you'll be the one dropping knowledge bombs instead of running for the snack table. Happy house hunting! Subscribe for more mortgage tips.